Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Xbox Live account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Turn on your Xbox console and wait until the home screen fully loads. Make sure your controller is connected and press the Xbox button to open the guide. Go to Profile and System from the side menu. Select Add or Switch to see the sign-in options. Choose Add New to sign in with a new Xbox Live account on this console. On the Microsoft sign-in screen, select Get a New Account only if you do not already have one. If you already have an account, choose Sign In and Continue. Enter the email, phone number, or Skype name linked to your Microsoft account. Select Next to move to the password screen. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Select Sign In and wait for the console to verify your details. If you are asked to prove your identity, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Choose whether you want to stay signed in on this console for faster access next time. Set up a passkey if you want an extra layer of protection for purchases and sign-ins. Pick your preferred privacy and online safety settings if the setup screen appears. Confirm the gamertag and profile details shown on the screen. Return to the home screen and check the top left profile icon to confirm you are signed in. If you see a sign-in error, first check your internet connection and settings. Open Settings. Go to General and select Network Settings to test the connection. If the network is fine, try restarting the console by holding the power button for 10 seconds. After the restart, repeat the sign-in steps to try again. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the sign-in screen to reset it. Complete the password reset on your phone or computer, then sign in again on the Xbox. If you use two-step verification, have your Authenticator app or SMS code ready. For signing in on PC, open the Xbox app, click Sign In, and use the same Microsoft account. For signing in on mobile, open the Xbox app, tap the profile icon, and select Sign In. If you are switching accounts, open Profile and System, select your current profile, and choose Sign Out. Then choose Add New again and sign in with the correct Xbox Live account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.